So when the start of Russia 2018, no days away, the Maverick is going to punch below the belt this evening. See that? By talking about Jamaica and World Cup qualification, it's been 20 years and 5 World Cup cycles since the Reggae Boys qualified for France 1998. Right now, the memories of that special and historic experience are being pushed further and further into the annals of history. And I remember vividly when Jamaica qualified for the World Cup, a friend of mine said to me, we should cherish and enjoy these moments because they might never happen again. I'm going to look at him and say, you're idiot. Jamaica will qualify again and again because we have so much talent. Well, my friend look like the genius and me start look like the idiot. No. I mean, Jamaica made the final round of 6 just twice in those 5 cycles. And to be honest, we never really looked like qualifying again. And despite FIFA promising more qualifying spots in the future, it don't happen yet. And it still feels kind of sad to see Jamaica getting back to a space where World Cup qualification looks so distant and impossible. We've basically gone full circle back to adopting other people's countries for the World Cup. Right now, it's Germany and Brazilian and Argentina flag and England flag around the place, while the Jamaican flag's gone missing. It's like we're going right back to square one with the football. As we speak, Jamaica, playing in the World Cup finals in the future, is beginning to appear as a pleasant but fleeting dream. And in the middle of that dream, I don't want to wake up.